Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be removing this key that got stuck inside the cylinder of this door lock. First thing that I need to do is to turn this thumb piece counterclockwise so that I can remove these two mounting screws. After removing these two mounting screws, I'm going to turn this thumb piece clockwise before removing this outer cylinder assembly. Now let's remove this security plate and cylinder collar. So what's going to happen in this video is that I am going to remove this spring plate and I am going to remove all the springs. After removing all the springs from the cylinder, I'll put the spring plate back to avoid losing the pins inside the cylinder. Next, I am going to turn this cylinder upside down so that the pins will drop and it will be removed from the key. After removing the key, I'm going to lubricate the pins with oil, and from there, I can now put the springs back together and put back the spring cover. Now it's time to put this back together by inserting the cylinder inside this cylinder collar and attach the security shield. Before inserting this spindle, make sure to align the flat side of this spindle to the flat side of the hole of the latch assembly. We also need to align this security shield inside the hole and align the holes for the mounting screws. In this scenario, if the cylinder won't go all the way in, we need to turn this thumb piece for proper engagement. Now we can finally put back these mounting screws. Thanks so much for all your support and thanks for watching. Have a good one.